So if x is a positive whole number, is the square root of x minus 4 also a positive whole number? So to be a positive whole number, this thing here needs to be 1 or more. So the question is really asking, is x a perfect square that is greater than 4? Because if it's a perfect square that is 4, that minus 4 will be 0, which is not a positive whole number. Any other value for x that's a perfect square greater than 4 will result in a positive whole number from this expression. So statement 1 tells us that x is the square of a whole number. There's the perfect square part, but it doesn't say that it has to be greater than 4. So if x is 4, then our answer is no. The square root of x minus 4 is not a positive whole number. Whereas if x is 25, 25 minus 4 is, or the square root of 25 minus 4 is a positive whole number. So sometimes yes, sometimes no is insufficient. So it's not A and it's not D. Statement 2 tells us that x is greater than 16. Well, if we have a number greater than 16 like 25, the square root of 25 is 5, 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 is a positive whole number. Answer is yes. Statement 2, but however, if x is equal to 26, we just need x to be greater than 16. The square root of 26 itself isn't going to be a whole number, and so subtracting 4 from it will continue to not be a whole number. So with 26 as x, the answer is no. Another sometimes yes, sometimes no knocks B off the island. In conjunction, though, the two parts of this, x is a perfect square and that number is greater than 4, each of the two statements gives us that. Statement 1 gives us the perfect square part. Part 2 gives us the perfect square whose square root is greater than 4. I guess I should have made that clearer. In any case, statement 1 and 2 combine to give us the perfect square whose square root is greater than 4. So the two statements together are sufficient. Answer choice C.